Hi everybody, today I'm gonna prepare a dish that I've never tried before. But this is right here, breast from a wood duck that has been hunted a few days ago by my neighbor. So I've never tried this before, but I have looked up a recipe, did a little research, how to prepare the best way, and I'm gonna put a little twist to it myself. So you're gonna need some stuff like green onions, a red onion, parsley, some mushrooms, and bacon. The bacon is gonna be fried first, so it's somehow cook a little bit, and then the meat's gonna be wrapped around with the bacon, and then finish cooking, and then it's gonna be put on a bread. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. We'll see product after this. Now, with the duck, you don't want to fry it too much because it's gonna get really hard. So I cut it in half each breast and slice it in the middle. Now do about 30 seconds each side to get it done. Alright, now throw all the mushrooms into the pan where I fried the bacon and the duck, and got green onions, some red onions, cilantro, a mix of different mushrooms. I use avocado oil because it gives you nice flavor, and also I use a couple salt and pepper, oregano, paprika, cayenne pepper, and also adobo. Anyway, so this is what's coming up next. Alright, once you cook down the mushrooms and all the onion, green onions and all this stuff, and you added spices, next thing you do is you add some cheese. I like to use smoked Gouda cheese, which is really awesome. It has that smoky flavor. So what you do is you add some of it for a flavor and kind of mix it around. See what happens after that. And some you can use whatever cheese you want. And what I do is I'll use that, and then the next step from that would be using a half and half, whatever you got. So just add a little bit, not too much, because we want to make it a little thicker, and that's what we're gonna kind of finish the duck with. Once that cheese melts, mix it in. I'm gonna put the breast of the duck in it and let it simmer inside, and throw bacon in it as well. And that's gonna be basically the next step. You can use that with bread, you can use that with rice, potatoes, whatever your imagination. Anyway, that's the best flavor. So here we got the breast right in the middle, the duck breast, and bacon around. So you from high, once they start boiling really hard, you turn it down to a simmer and give another 10 minutes max, and you're basically gonna have a nice soft, well done duck breast with all the spices, everything, and just sips into it. Anyway, so I'll let it do it for 10 minutes, maybe less, maybe more. Kind of see what you like with that, how it looks. Alright, so this is my finished product. As you can see, I use the bread, bacon on the bottom, the meat. It's really good. A little pink in the middle. Just a couple pieces. Yummy. Anyway, that was good.